A bulk of our practice is peripheral arterial disease, and basically you have blockages in your arteries that are supplying either your brain, that would be cerebrovascular disease, or your legs or your arms. And you would get pain with effort, like if you walk and your legs seem to give way or they hurt you, or if you notice like a paucity of hair in the distal part of your extremity, specifically on your feet, or if you can have the chance to feel pulses in your wrist, you can feel your pulse, but also in your feet you can feel your pulse. And if you could feel your pulse and now you can't feel your pulse, or your extremities turning a bluish discolored state, or if you have pain at rest, or pain when you walk upstairs, or pain when you walk a long way from the car to the supermarket or something, then that would be an indication that you have peripheral arterial disease. And there's some simple tests that we can do where we measure the blood pressure in the leg and the blood pressure in the arm and compare them. And typically the leg pressure would be higher than the arm pressure. So as the ratio of those two goes lower and lower, it means that you have more blockage in your lower extremities. If you're having chest pain at rest, or worsening shortness of breath, or inability to get around like you used to, you just feel tired all the time. You know, obviously if you're having severe chest pain that radiates to your neck and down your arm, then that would be a problem. Also for cerebrovascular disease, you think about fast, face, arm, speech, and time. Like you might have difficulty with speech, either stuttering or you can't get the words out. You may have weakness or numbness in your arm or leg. You may have loss of vision in your eye. But any of these symptoms would warrant kind of immediate care, where you go to the emergency room and get seen. And if you're having a cerebrovascular accident or whatever, there are ways that we can get the blood going back to the arteries where they're blocked and maybe limit the disability that you suffer.